doing a Ikon K-pop back to school DIY, and this is a collaboration with a whole bunch of other K-pop YouTubers, so please check my description for their links. So I printed out 3 different Ikon graphic logo type things, and I am going to make them stickers. So you're going to get clear duct tape, and you're going to take it and you're going to stick it onto wax paper. You want it to be big enough so that your image you printed out can fit on it. And then you're going to glue your image down onto the duct tape that you just stuck down. I would use a glue stick instead of this wet glue like I did, because it did end up distorting my image just a little bit, but tacky glue like a glue stick should not distort your image. Then you are going to take more duct tape and stick that down on top of the picture like you would be gluing it down, but really we're using that as a sealant for our picture. And then you are going to take scissors and you are going to cut around the image. You can cut it to where there is a little bit of clear showing, that is fine, and then the wax paper will just peel right off the back and you can stick it down onto your surface. As you see here, I'm putting it on a composition notebook. I do this for 3 notebooks, so here I'm showing you the other 2 that I made, and I made them the exact same way. The last DIY, I am taking a Ikon logo piece of paper and I'm gluing it to the inside of a clear backpack. I choose a clear backpack because I know some schools have regulations about what backpacks you can have, and I had this extra confetti, which is what inspired me to do this on this backpack, and I just poured into this front pocket, and then I safety pinned the pocket closed. I didn't show that, but I just did that as a safety precaution in case somehow it would open. But these are all the DIYs I made. I hope you really enjoyed them, and please make sure to check out all of the other K-pop DIYs that all of my other friends in this collaboration made. They will be linked in my description down below, their channels, because we all kind of live in different parts of the world, so not everybody's videos will be going out at the exact same moment. But here's a picture of everybody that was involved in the collaboration. I really hope you enjoyed this DIY. Let me know if you make these in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.